Hello everyone, this is my review of the OXO Good Grips 3-piece pop containers. These containers are clear and made of plastic, hard plastic. They have lids that seals with a push of the button on the top. As you can see, the seal around the lid there, and they seal pretty good. They doesn't allow air to get in there because I'll pick it up and I'm holding the lid, and it seals pretty good to keep your food fresh and keep it away from rodents from smelling your food and getting in there. So these containers are pretty good for storing your food. I hope this review helped.